this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to acquire the Capture token. Capture token serves as a developer's entry point into the Numbers Protocol developer ecosystem. To obtain your Capture token, you will first need to create a Capture account. This is easily done through Capture Cam or Dashboard. In this tutorial, we'll be creating a Capture account with Capture Dashboard. Navigate to dashboard.captureapp.xyz. Click on Create an Account. Fill out the form and click Sign Up. Now that we have our Capture account created, let's get our Capture token. You can get the Capture token directly from My Account page in the Capture dashboard. Simply click on your profile in the top right corner and choose My Account. Here you can see the overview of your account, and you can immediately copy your Capture authorization token and save it to your personal secure document. That's it for this tutorial. To learn more about Numbers Protocol, check out the video description for a full list of our media channels.